Why does your scanner show the P0192 engine code? What does it mean? P0192 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel rail pressure sensor circuit low input. This engine code indicates that ECM is detecting a fuel pressure reading lower than expected from the fuel rail pressure sensor, which could be due to a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or other problems within the fuel system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel rail pressure sensor. Wiring issues. Fuel pump issues. Clogged fuel filter. Fuel pressure regulator malfunction. PCM issues. Low fuel level. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. This is commonly seen in various vehicles, particularly those with Ford, Toyota, Hyundai, Nissan, Mazda, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.